Hello, you all. Hello, you all. You already know what we finna get into. We finna get into these messages and see what our Elohim would like us to know at this time. The channels. This is a channel song. Listen to DMX, Rough Riders Anthem. That song got some extra messages in there for you. All I kept hearing, the chorus part. Stop, drop, shut them down, open up shop. Whoa, no, that's how Rough Riders roll. So let's see what's going on. Shut them down, open up shop. So listen to DMX Rough Riders. Those could have some extra messages in there for you. So let's see here. DMX Rough Riders. What does our Elohim want us to know about this? Judgment. Somebody under judgment. Let's see. Some type of judgment has been called. We got the Three of Cups. And then the Knight of Swords with the Seven of Wands. Somebody could be thinking about attacking somebody. Right after the Knight of Swords is the Devil. So somebody could be thinking about going up against somebody. Or somebody was thinking about attacking somebody. Offering something for somebody to attack somebody. That could be their wish fulfillment. Somebody going against somebody. These could be friends or people who party or hang out together. Stop, drop, shut them down, open up shop. Whoa. Yeah, somebody, that was right after the Knight of Swords was the Knight of Wands. I mean, it was after the, I think there's Nine of Cups. I know I just seen it, though. So somebody could have been taking some sort of risk. Wanting to take some sort of risk. Let's see. What we got going on here? Let's just get some what's going on. Okay, so somebody so somebody friends was riding for them or was gonna ride for them. They made this decision to do something. They thought that stop, drop, shut them down, open up shop. Oh, that's how Rough Riders roll. Oh, wait a minute now. Somebody thought that they was gonna shut somebody else down and open up shop, I guess, in a place or something. Hold on, this was the plan. Wait. Oh man, wait a minute. Was this somebody's plan? So the plan was to stop and drop somebody and open up shop. Oh, no, but these people got defeated. Yeah, over greed. It could be a Empress and a Queen of Wands. There's some bullshit. Stop, drop, shut them down, open up shop. Oh, no, that's how Rough Riders roll. Yeah, these people thought that they was going to receive some type of good news or something. There could be a Taurus, a Libra, a Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Could be a Sag, falling right under this Knight of Wands. This was about greed. These people was looking to hear some good news. On somebody innocent. Oh, they thought they was going to stop, drop, Shut them down, open up shop. Oh, no. That's how Rough Riders roll. And that's crazy with the Knight of Wands coming out. Like, listen, these motherfuckers took a risk. Yeah, they was trying to hold back a chosen one. Page of Wands, Queen of Cups. Oh, man. Wait a minute. Stop. Drop. Shut her down. Open up shop. I just... Oh, yeah, we got the death here. Yeah, and something for somebody. Transform it so they could take over. Stop. Drop. Shut it down. Open up shop. So these people be watching somebody and stalking them and looking to with the Page of Swords, looking to shut them down, get them shut down, stop them, block them out. Two of Swords. Oh shit. Listen. When I was channeling that song, y'all know I had to go play it. I was just jamming too, honey. They was like, listen. They took that risk, boy. Yeah, they came up with a plan. There's an emperor. This emperor could be an Aries or a Leo. They was a part of the plan too. 3. That's 3 people. Stop. Drop. Shut her down. Open up shop. Oh. Oh. No. This was the plan. An Empress, a Queen of Wands, and an Emperor. This was the plan. This was what they laid their foundation in. Being shiesty and greedy. The 4 of Pentacles is what they laid their foundation in. Top of the deck, the devil. Karmics. This was their plan to oppress another, to shut them down so that they can open up shop. In whatever manner that is. It don't matter what kind of business you run. These motherfuckers teamed up, formed a plan to shut you down, to open up shop. You defeated these motherfuckers. These motherfuckers are some haters, man. This shit crazy. These signs between these people are Sagittarius, Taurus, Libra, Aries, Leo. We got Sag again. We have Aries, Leo again, Capricorn. They got them signs in their chart. Yeah, lay you to rest. Lay you to rest. That shit crazy. That shit crazy. That shit crazy. Maybe these people fear your knowledge but the thing is, you're connected to a higher power. So yeah, that, oh no, that's you persevering. You could be a divine masculine or a divine feminine. It don't matter. You could be a high priest or a high priestess. Or you could just be connected to a higher power in your faith, very wise, very knowledgeable. Your protection, this protection came from the divine. You had to protect yourself and persevere through whatever these people had planned. You persevered through crisis and everything. You in the 10 of Cups still. You're happy. You're happy. You're at peace, even though these people wanted to shut you down. Yeah, 10 of Swords. The devil 10 of Swords. Damn, to the death? Oh, they was planning to jack you up. The plan was to jack you up. The devil to the Ten of Swords to the death. Ooh, put you in the hospital or something. Four of Swords. Oh, they ruthless. Okay, Rough Riders. Okay, Rough Riders. But you supposed to be at a dead end. Death. You definitely was supposed to be at a dead end. But you could have followed your intuition about something. You was right to follow your intuition. Because these motherfuckers shiesty. Is hell. Your intuition saved you. It protected you. You following your intuition. You can be a Gemini, Scorpio, or a Pisces. Your intuition saved you from death, dead end, ultimate betrayal, oppression. I mean, and some more shit. Cause these people ruthless. That's what. Yeah, Rough Riders. Okay, Rough Riders. They was like, we gonna ride. We ride at dawn. It ain't funny, y'all, but sometimes you gotta laugh at foolish ass people, man. Sometimes you gotta laugh at fools. But they was finna ride on your ass. Cause your death lay you to rest here. Ten of Swords, death, Four of Swords with the devil. It wasn't nothing good. It wasn't nothing good. One of these people could even have Gemini or Scorpio in a chart. 2. Damn. Shiesty ass people. But your intuition, your connection to the Most High saved you. You was able to persevere through this, so that's a blessing. These people might end up going to jail. And that may bring you some peace. These people might end up going to jail for what they were trying to do to you. That might bring some peace. That could be what's ahead for these people. Raggedy ass people. These people are actually going to be oppressed and in a Ten of Swords at a dead end, possibly even dead. These 3 people gonna end up in jail or dead, and they gonna be in regret because the law may even get involved. You gonna get justice from whatever this is here. You gonna receive justice for whatever the fuck these people was cooking up. These people are gonna regret the day that they tried to stop, drop, shut you down and open up shop. Oh, no. Yeah, something about some communication. Something may have been communicated and maybe the law might know about it, or it's some type of truth being unveiled on what these individuals did. These individuals could have tried to set you up somehow. There could be some type of communication. There could be some type of communication here of hurting you with the 3 of Swords. Somebody could have had some sort of divided loyalty within the group. Look, 3 of Pentacles with the team up. So it could be some type of communication that you may receive, or you might even receive some communication about one of these motherfuckers losing their life. Could be your family. But hey, they tried to take you out. Or your family could have been involved. Somebody could have offered your family member an opportunity. 10 of Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles. The cause of ending here with the World. And that family member may end up selling on by. Taking a journey, taking a difficult journey. Yep. Taking a difficult journey. Yeah, the truth gonna come out. It's gonna be some type of breakthrough of who went against you. You gonna know. With the Knight of Swords, this is something that you gonna know and get clarity of. These is either friends or people that celebrated together. Somebody could be family. We got friends and family. Now, if they ain't friends and they ain't family, they celebrate together and they act like family or friends or whatever the case may be. But it's some type of truth. And whether you're a masculine or whether you're a feminine, you're going to get the 411 on whatever this is. They was either trying to shut her down, open up shop. Shut them down, open up shop. You gonna know. But oh, no. That divine power said no. See, that's that knowing. That Ace of Swords, that intuition, that enlightenment, that wisdom. That's what saved your life. Divine power. So, thank the Most High Yahweh. Because you finna find out some stuff, man. Whether you a masculine, whether you a feminine, it may hurt. But the beauty of it is, you survive. The beauty of it is you connected to a higher power and you follow that intuition and that inner guide and the intelligence and the wisdom that was given to you to take action and not indulge in whatever this is, because somebody was, I'm telling you, it was going to be bad. The devil, the 10 of swords, the death, the 4 of swords. You was going to be, or you may even still be disappointed. Even though you get injustice, it may disappoint you that people tried to team up to end you in such a way. You ain't even out here for real. You showed up as the high priestess. That's you being connected to a high power, whether you're a high priest or a high priestess. That's it. So you ain't even in a mix, and people are banding up and trying to discuss what risk they gonna take against you, baby. And that ain't cool. They finna see how a rough rider really roll. Cause all y'all asses is going in the grave, or y'all going to jail. Or y'all are gonna face crisis in y'all lives that ain't gonna be fucking pretty for that hate that y'all got. That's what's gonna happen to y'all. Justice and balance. And the truth. Y'all gonna see divine power unfold. Even with y'all banding up together. Y'all gonna see the shit fucking unfold. Who the fuck do y'all think y'all is? Hateful, dark ass motherfuckers is what I'm looking at. Foul. But you know what? Shit gonna balance out as it should go. Believe that. It's gonna balance out just exactly how it should go. Believe that. Let me see. Do we need to know anything else about this? And when I said that, I got a notification. TikTok. Only time will tell. TikTok. 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 Hateful people like this gets on my motherfucking nerves. Is there anything else we need to know about this? Nope. Stop, drop, shut them down, open up shop. Oh, no, that's how rough riders roll. Stop, drop. Hold on, y'all, because I want to look through this real quick. Yeah, ninjas want to try. What? Ninjas want to lie. What? Then ninjas wonder why. Ninjas want to die. Like, I'm serious. Like, these people? Listen to that song. Listen to Rough DMX Rough Riders Anthem. That is the song. But we're going to pull a grateful heart message because it's always something to be grateful for, even in circumstances like this, because the light is still in the darkness. The light still shines. Yahweh will keep you from all harm. Be strong and do not give up, for your work will be rewarded. In your presence, there is fullness of joy. So you can still have joy even while, people are plotting and, doing dark stuff here. It says the word of Yahweh is right and true. He is faithful in all that he does. Our lives are in Yahweh's hands, and he keeps our feet from stumbling. In him my heart trusts, and I am helped. My heart exults, and with my song I give thanks to him. I love you, O Yahweh, my strength. It is Yahweh who arms me with strength and makes my way perfect. Let your unfailing love surround us, Yahweh, for our hope is in you alone. And then Psalms 91. Y'all gotta, man, I'm telling y'all, keep up on y'all prayers, man. Prayer work. I don't care what nobody be talking about or saying. Read Psalms 91 every day if you got to. Psalms 18 is out here. The Most High saved somebody from something. That's that salvation. Whoever dwells in the shelter of the Most High will rest in the shadow of the Almighty. Whoever dwells in the secret place of the Most High shall abide under the shadow of the Almighty. Definitely protected by divine power. See, the Ace of Swords is at the bottom of the deck, right along with Psalms 91. 911. Somebody going, 911. This death card, it reminds me of the hood, and then there's no face in it, like Ghostface. It reminds me of Scream. Yep, it reminds me of Scream. Watch Scream. It don't matter which one. The objective was to get whoever they needed to get. These people was out to hurt people, and they banded up to do it. But the Most High said nah. So I hope you all got a message from this read that'll help you along your journey. Know that Yahweh loves you. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you all later. Peace.